Okay, now good morning. Yeah, 5-10%.
Help me share this. Yes, leave our people with this one. I want to analyze this.
10% in Miami, 10% in. Yes, yeah. 10% of the same. Pastor, let me go for 10%. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let me go for 10%. Now Yoruba Ojuku plus their brother where they put for Igbo land. Now Ojuku. Now so that they kill our gallant people. We don't know now. They are know their truth. They'll go Benin City. They'll mix OPC with our boys. They'll say that they fair crash. We don't crash in them. Our ancestors don't tell us what is they doing. Who kill Koson and Yoruba people? The help of the Igbo. ancestors say na Yoruba people na dey kill us. They'll mix their self with our useless Igbo fulefu. Or mix them up or wrap am. And so they kill us for everywhere. Every Bayelsa, they are there. So what they come out, take it back. What did they take back? We don't know on our street. I come at 10%. Because we say most give our leader. Our leader. We not do that one. Yoruba they kill us. We not do that one. We not just deal. We not they lick anybody in yash. May be free. May come free. Not they happen. They don't to kill our people. So we not lick. We call the lick una nya. The lick una slipper. Say we want free. No. We want free. May free. Will make peace. But for now, no peace. So una see una see who kill Ikoson. It make peace with the enemy. They can never change. They not fit change. Those of una where they say yeah, what happened for cemetery yesterday. Me, I be spiritual person. Let me explain it. I go cemetery yesterday. Una good morning. I'll still play 10%. I bet first let me find out non stop. I want to play 10%. For the Yoruba people to understand that we know their trick and they are the one killing us. They are the one that divide us. What happen? We are spiritual people, Channel TV say it goes somewhere sham bulletproof. They burn your ass, they not fit kill and they shoot, they not fit. Now wait till we know, now we'll take fair to now. I don't understand. So my brothers and sisters, let me, chief of staff, share and beg, Baba, share everywhere. Sean, sir, God bless you, sir. I dey here for now. I beg me share the video. Share and make reach 1,000. Thank you. God bless you. And my brothers and sisters, even though they never reach 1,000. We know what we they do. We are going somewhere. Even though now only 10 people, we are here. So my brothers and sisters, now Yoruba they kill us. We don't catch them. Una know say that they do the same thing for those states. Don't miss OPC with our brothers. They can't crash. They can't they fire secret call that they crash. Ikoson. Now Yoruba people na Ikoson. The help of his brothers. You see why would they say there is no peace or magic no peace until free the call. Free the call will make peace for year. No peace. Anybody we want to say they do tribalism or they do may go they talk to her with anybody we want to say they do tribalism. This is not this is nothing to do with tribalism. Let me tell you, those of you that were saying well, Sophia, when we were in cemetery yesterday, something happened. The thing that happened is that I come on fire. When I on fire, I never see my in-law waka come. Or nowhere, he has far away where. He has from, if you they drive, go he has. Now they take you 25 minutes to reach there. He just come. I don't call him. Nobody call him. You see me for Facebook, you say no. He just come. Now God bring her. Now our ancestors bring her. Spirit is working. So our magic non stop. Oh, the fire is burning. And another 3 people come again. Quench the fire, quench it. That is to tell you, say, UN go come. US go come. All the United Nations will come. All of them will come interfere for this rain we want fall so for our land. It go fall. According to the Ile Binowe, your demon live there. We are going to raise up this flag for regrowth. We are going to raise it up. So as we tell raise it, you not concern anybody. Our people are going to raise it for that regrowth. Anybody stand for our way, it's going down. See, my brothers and sisters, they think say na any era where they'll kill Yoruba people kill us. They'll kill our great one. We'll keep quiet. This one, everybody die in the process. We are not afraid of death. Una year 2,000 men, now they'll take 2,000 heads. Now they'll take bury Ikoson. How I bury 2,000 head go flow. e no concern me. Na innocent, na Yoruba people dey kill. Na innocent will still kill take bury so it concern us. Na no get sense. So my brothers and sisters, let me show you when Kayode now started to be Asai Igbo, Ebube, Pussycat, Ebube crayfish, where they from now. Yoruba people, they did here. Our Igbo brothers cannot kill their own brother, although they are betrayers, they did their blood, but they cannot kill their own. They cannot burn their own brother house like that, kill am. Talk say na bad. Yoruba na they kill us. We know they remove anyone. Yoruba na Yoruba. They kill us. They don't want me Nigeria break. And we are going to break you. We are going to break the zone. I never see anything. Everybody will die. And Yoruba, there is tactics they are using. They will bring Yoruba from Ile-Ife. They'll come and add it to our Aboriginal people. They will collaborate together to be killing our brothers. And they will also bring Yoruba from Ile-Ife. From where again? Where they for Kokadel. They'll bring them from that place where they for Kokadel. They'll bring them from Afon, no be Afonja. They'll bring them from Kwara. They come mix them with our brothers. Though they get target. They get target. They go there. They won't go kill them. They get target. Yoruba the tea say, you see, una they talk say, na so Boko Haram take start o. So una they chorus stories have been. Then we know the Ajua Yoruba people. We know the Ajua. Una all dead. Everything will be burnt down. Imagine say me that they'll burn a bank. Or no government. They are going to burn their bank in our area everywhere. Their bank will go down. Since they don't want me will break, more they do buying and selling together, more they do transaction. We are going to destroy everywhere. We never see anything. We know the fear death. The day we will die, more not cry. So the money costs now. More no monos. We are prepared. We are ready to deal with all these Yoruba people. My brothers and sisters, now Yoruba, they kill us. And we don't catch them. Now because in my phone, no one do. Now I be one put for this video. Now see, Yoruba, now they kill us. Now see, they don't feel faithful and you. When they just come our side, they just raise their shoulder. Killer, criminal. He's a terrorist. Killer. He's proscribed. See. My Igbo people, see, I know they do any relationship with anybody. I don't want no. Freedom is not relationship. Freedom is you fight me, I fight you. At the end, we can't settle. Now so, not be say na day battlefield. Now they say, hey Yoruba, hey wake up, oh. If they don't wake up, make the rest now. They enjoy the Zoom, make the day with them. The Fulani, they pursue them for their own land. They don't feel pursue Fulani. Then, they are Ile-Ife, Ooni of Ife, Ojo employ them. Plus all those, they acquire the Lai Mohammed, Oyo employ them. Garuba Shehu Gogomi. See, the army and police, where they kill for the east now. Now, Yoruba people, many for inside. Not be Fulani. Now, the truth. Now, Yoruba people. They want to die for one Nigeria. They want to die for what they belong. We want to die for what we belong to. What we belong. What we believe in. So, we are going to conquer Yoruba people. Yoruba people don't want freedom. All those Koiki way they shout. They all be Yoruba. Oh. They all they speak the language. Now the truth. Yoruba, they are evil. They are evil. We say it as the way it is. Or everywhere go spoil. We are the talk and see be. Na de ki Koiki, na de ki Anini, na de ki Ali, na de ki Fela. You know, Fulani too far now, and na Fulani with the kisses where we never fit. Now Yoruba, they say, and my language say, wetin dey your under your leg, you no fit kill am. Na be this problem wey we get so. So our extent security, our no government, Yoruba is your problem. It's the truth. Oh. If you don't act fast, they are going to kill all of you. Na the truth. And na the truth. Oh. Na the truth. Yoruba is the problem now we have. Yoruba. Kayode go be in Ebube. Kayode, he go come dey serve for Ebube. Ebube pussycat, he go come dey serve for there. Something not tell una say there is something somewhere. Ile-Ife man dey run up and down near of Ife. The highest criminal, notorious criminal we have. Come and be name my brother. We are going to revenge Anini death. This equal son there so. Now we come to know as Yoruba take dey kill us. Small, small they come. Small, small. And they are now coming on social media and telling us, hey, na so Boko Haram take start. Hey, na so this one take start. Na so this one take start. Then fear not they let them talk. Say na so Mietiala take start. Awa. They not fit talk. They not fit. So Yoruba is calling us proscribe. And if you never go join POB, you from my place, go and join. Because all of us, at the end of the day, we are proscribed. And we are going to be proscribed. And we are going to tell the Yoruba people, we are 100%, we know the argue one, we proscribe. Yoruba is the one killing our great men that will fight for us. Yoruba is the one killing our brothers that will be there for us when the time comes. They want to collect our land. They feel that they have investment, NDDC, all those Niger Delta rubbish, all those greedy bastards. If you don't want to shut up, Izo. We know the year Izo again. We know the year. Tell we don't hear that it don't pass. Now don't do now pass. Either una just come out now. May we do this thing once and for all. Or una be the Yoruba Janja weed where they come put for our midst. When the time come, we'll declare una. We cannot get the time we'll take enjoy anything for the zoo called Nigeria. You know there. You know you're there at all. So that is not what they call. Una just shut up, or una just enter us because if the time come, the one way they come, so the revolution, the almighty because we now we come from those states, we no want fight waiting, we no want finish. When our brothers they fight and they'll finish them, and they'll raise this flag for ring growth. It go happen. Go and mark it down. Go and mark it. So if you never they contribute now, or you never they bring your own head here, drop no matter those great beneath, all those one not get where they go. No matter because we know if they follow they suffer. Because they follow river come Germany, come the shark great beneath. Who want follow they do that rubbish. So if you are from Edo State, most especially Esa and Esako, because we get many men Yoruba now miss blood for the Benin side. We know they call those one. All the time, no. We know they call those one. We know what they do. We will fish the one, the good one. We'll fish where the time come. We'll fish them out. Yes, especially the Esako and the Shakiri people and Ijo Edo people. All of una need to rise up. We no want waste time. Okay, when we want to do our own, we want to do finish. We don't want to do like Esas where Yoruba can put kata. No, at that time, any Yoruba man we will see, we kill him. If you are OPC, you are Yoruba man, we kill you. We not get what you they do for our state. We don't cash you now, Yoruba. Now, kia nini for his wife house, for his what did they call this street to I know for near third for that side, near third, now for Kianini, we remember, although we small, we still our head. So the one that take Kianini, na so na see take go now for equal son. Now go burn his house down. Now can't use the brother, they control him. And my Australia brothers, what did happen now? Mona beat Ezia one, whether na Ezio one, that they call I don't know, Ezio way. Mona beat her. If you not beat her, it's jelly mad go them. See, now still tell like if I dey talk and notice I don't know what I dey talk. We for ourselves, we sabi revenge where we dey sabi revenge. Now that useless Yoruba lineage where they our midst. Now they bring all our mighty hero down. Now the truth, People know me. They know my senior brother. If you do something, you go pour acid for ground, put your package here. Now the truth, if they do am, everybody will die. Although it don't die now, everybody will die. We all go die. Nobody carry this life come. Now the truth. So our Igbo brothers must teach Asia one lesson in that Austria. Teach am lesson. Yes. More na teach am lesson. Now if they use take kill this boy. Ikoson. Teach that guy lesson. Make that boy make the get lesson. And Ijele or no government. Fair Ijele for that zoo way day. No way on and not finish. Fair na kill am. You don't want too much. Kill am. Kill am. Ijele not the work. Ijele is a terrorist, give information to the Nigeria government. That is his job. Ijele, if una no know say Ijele na Fulani, me they tell Nana say Ijele na Fulani. Okay? Ijele na Fulani. And Ijele no want make our leader succeed. You know want anything to do with IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. You know what? So for that reason, take it first. Yes. Deal with her. Person where they plan to kill me, first of all, kill am first now. And if they happy now, say he goes on die, he dies, a criminal, he's armed robber, he's a murderer, he's a murderer. Ijele where they use telephone, they go kill people for him. He not be murderer because not be the do. Because he goes on fight them, say they fraud his brother. Now make them want and then our Igbo brother na still many for us that Mona, you know, say for abroad, they know the key person. If una feel carry that is one break one of his leg, make they decay one leg. That he mat turner. He go see. Una treat and fuck up. Una do it for Germany now. Una do it Korea, do not try. But for us now, una treat and fuck up. Yes. You don't need any good thing for now. Just the pack useless big they put for body. Yeah, if now let that one be the last mark for head. God, let me remain like that. It's the truth. Just the pack big for body. Who dash monkey banana? We are Zua. Mona teach a lesson. Mona deal with her. Enough is enough. All these people. See, all of us go down. Mona teach and lesson. We know say Austria is a very, very like here. It's very, very secure. We know. Mona just beat her. Mona beat her. Mona let her go the key sickness. Yes. Mona beat her. Now me they tell now Mona beat her. Enough is enough. It better pass it cause or no. You know better pass her. Mona beat her. Mona beat her. If una still beat her, now take a picture, una come snap her, una come that for social media. And I saw now Mona beat her. Mona not do anything, Mona you beat her. Only that beat your hair, my mouth go sweet me. So that is it. Mona beat her. My brother they laugh me. Mona beat her, not be like Mona beat her. We know they keep person for abroad because it's not allowed here because there is law here. Police carry, make sure about that. You understand? What there? So my brothers and sisters, when we are first of all, we made 10% here. Abu wave me amia. If we dey tell now say na Yoruba, now they kill us. Now they believe us now. Tribalism yo na today. Na not do tribalism the person. When I carry on a mad go that side. Now they kill fella. No good thing where Yoruba people like. They enjoy for London. All of them can't go London. They enjoy now. No guesses. They made the one Nigeria. They kill fella. They kill a fella not be Yoruba man and go to me. You they speak Yoruba. You know they're forced to speak their language. Animator don't Saturday. Give them human rights. Animal go say it's money and slave. The carry PC come. Now go put Benin people, put Yoruba people, mix am up. They don't go carry and go ebube pussycat. They don't carry and go now. They don't they miss their up. They don't they miss their up. Now they go kill Koson. They there. My leader, I no kiss Yoruba people ass. I no go stop. No na rest. Na me hate the pie good. I be tribalism. We know wetin we dey talk. When I hear me very well, Yoruba is our problem. They no dey fight for freedom. No na rest. Now they keep fella. Yoruba. They say allegedly, proscribe. What do you want? Proscribe. They want that show human rights, Yoruba. We know the rest though. First us, no rest. They come arrange book for back. Na me go school pass. How they speak big grammar. Bridge show collect all our money. 200 million. Only Edo State. Do not be the one that data people give out. All over the world collect money. Because they tell you they want put us for bondage. Now they like enjoyment pass. I beg my brothers, my Edo brothers, my Orobo brothers, my Wafi brothers. Now be all the data na Wafi. May I tell now one thing. As we dey fight our own revolution, this flag, the day where una dey fight, now they start to raise am up. That's useless zone Nigeria. We are going to bring it. Well, now for our place go for Nigeria. Oh, what destroy? Ikoso don't bring am. We don't bring Biafra. I use am do music. Iko, you bring Biafra. Iko, you be brave. I go use am do album. I go find who do am for me. You don't bring Biafra. Our Edo brothers must get up. Mostly particular Esa and Auchi. They know they enjoy anything for this Zoom. They are backward. So therefore, una must get up and fight. Yes. The day we now start to fight. Don't raise up the Zoom flag. Raise up this one. Biafra flag. Mona go this one they keep. Mona add them. Mona not let them see them. Because wicked they pay 30,000. Anybody where they see anything Biafra, even though na bango, you put them for hand na Biafra this thing. So therefore, my brothers and sisters from Delta and from Edo State, don't wear anything Biafra. But the day you start the fight, bring this flag, raise it up. We don't win. They're mad. All those government use us. Now Yoruba they place the DA. Not be only Fulani. Forget it. Everything Fulani. If rats where they near you, not tell you say come and kill. Outside not they come. Fulani too small. Fulani too small. They kill for Benue. Yoruba not they carry them. This what did they call her? This big head with the China TV. Whether na today or today, I be good day. I don't know what it be name. It go just come out, proscribe, allegedly proscribe. So, my brothers and sisters, enough is enough. Yoruba is the one killing us. Now the truth, not be hatred. We know we have a lot of Yoruba people in Lagos. Those ones now our brothers and sisters, our blood. But they speak Yoruba fine. Now they are not Yoruba. We know it. When Biafra come, they are going to follow us. They crazy. Only of Ife, I bet you are. Only of Ife, small boy, what they use now, I don't understand. They want collect all our territory. They can't kill the great man in your land. They can't say he's an armed robber, he's a terrorist, he's a murderer. That's how they take kill Anini, as they take kill Kosanso. 500 army go can't kill only one person. 500 army, they'll pack, can't kill only one person. So Biafra, enough is enough. When we meet Biafra, south, east, more than not those criminals, those stupid criminals. Eyes on kill now. Since one of the eyes on see una land, see una river, una mama is drinking una shit water. Na not guessing. We not dead down our eyes on. You'll give Buhari 1 week, NDDC. Give her tomorrow, give her 1 week, next 1 month, NDDC. We not there. We want total breakup. Even if una want do na own, una do. E no concern us. But make Nigeria destroy. Make break up. Una follow una do that is on level. Aizon, Asawana, Agbeluwa, thief, criminals. The other one say in they go represent for Abuja. Who they represent? Not be some people they represent. You represent yourself. You are a criminal. We see the birthday where you do. We see the house where you build. So you people want to be enjoying and you want the rest all that to be suffering. No, it no work. People, I know it no work. No work. We are spoiling everywhere. Una way they say, una get mad for our social media. We are just waking our people as I they thought. So, with my people in Esaland, they are washing. Even Benin City, they are washing. They are listening. Even in Uroboland, they are washing. Wafi, all of them, they are washing. Even in Iguasha, they are washing. Even the Ijaw, they are washing. You know, guessing. They have to have sense. They have to know that it's the Yoruba that is killing them. Mixed up with their indigenous people to become and be killing them. The help of the Fulani and the British. They don't want Nigeria to break. They don't want they don't want us to do bread and butter. You know, I was in cemetery yesterday. A miracle happened. Now the spirit they talk. Somebody from my family just come to the grave. I not call him. You don't even know say they go there. I didn't call him. He come. Uncle Pep, he come. So, I shock. What did they do? Did you see me on social media? I say because he's not following me on Facebook. I don't even they follow him. He said he just waka come. Yeah. He was even showing me do it like this, do it. That's to tell you that thing when I go do, our spirit don't start fight. Yes. They'll enter our boys' body, they'll burst everywhere. They don't start fight. And another 3 people come say the fire is too much. I have to bring it down. To tell you, say, the UN, the United Union, the everything go come. They'll say, we should off the fire. That time, Biafra will come as our leader, the talker. We be spiritual people. Even though Yoruba newspaper go carry our hair, is doing sharp. It's not my business. Now only Yoruba get Ugboni. Now they get Asigidi. Now they get what did they call them? Now they get Miracle, Jesus Christ. Name it. Now they get everything. Juju, Ogun, everything. Now they get that. So they will not be telling you are the one doing sham. Now they get them. Now Yoruba they take on key cousin. Now Yoruba. When they shoot, I know it. They be gig go chest. Where for the breathe. They be big gogora. Enough is enough. You don't do enough. Yoruba we don't cash una for all una trick. So the zoo will be destroyed anyway. Yoruba fight to they talk life for our health, allegedly prescribe. It's not our business. It's the truth. It's not our business. What happened yesterday, Mama Dike cannot stop. Not stop. Now everything we will get will take fight this fight. You not believe, but we believe. Now the truth. You not believe, we believe it. Yes. What happened yesterday? That is why I came to tell you guys the definition of what happened yesterday was the Zoom will be burning. The fire will be burning, and people inside the Zoom, they will say they want let us quench it. You will say they will even be telling you, see how you take set the fire. Now it happened yesterday. Before UN or United Nations come say, okay, what did happen? I bet first quench the fire. Referendum puto bastard. Don't finish. We are spiritual. All the old spirit they don't answer us. So our brothers, our Eastern security, no stop. Please. All our people must rise up today. Our Magdike give us the because the Oga don't talk. So we will help her on the diara. We come the straighten our DI. Our people must be ready to fight now. Our Edo people get up and start fighting. Yes. Wason Agbinana, Wason Agien police station, Wason Agien area. When you start fighting, don't worry. That time they kill now, they go free. This time we get no government, we get state security, maybe another one will come out. More than all me all those eyes on. We not did that one at those one level. No. All those one at criminal. We get everything. Anywhere they kill for Benin. If they kill one person, 20 head go roll. Na so the day bury am. If we not do it like that, freedom not go come. Not the truth. Yes. So therefore, they cannot do us anything at now. Anywhere, any village where they kill, 100 head go roll. Don't they bury that person. If not two they kill 200 head, don't they bury am. So hey, they'll come say, okay, let's make peace. Let's make peace as they want to answer. You know, 2000 I don't want to bury it so. We know they had the talk and the truth. 2000. So my brothers and sisters, we have to rise up and fight now. We have to rise up and fight. We know what we are saying. Many people will say, these people not get say good. Anyone, you get sense or you not get sense, it's not our problem. But for now, our brothers and sisters in the land, we are fighting for you people. I can decide not to come tomorrow. So our Edo people, mostly especially our Edo people, don't follow those criminals. Otherwise, all those great Benin, they are criminals. Listen, all those ones now, they appear here. They'll kill them. They start like Boko Haram. So they are not calling us Boko Haram. That's what Boko Haram they start. This one, we won't finish this fight. No, not going back. We'll finish her. We get why. Because if we don't finish her, they'll do us as they do Anini. They'll just kill all of us and they'll still continue their fraud. That's the truth. So we are going to finish it. Listen to Opaka.
Who is Nnamdi Kanu? I have never seen him face to face.
Okay.
Look at my hand on the altar again. But I want to tell you something. Wherever he is, may God bless him.
He said.
Because if somebody has risen up to shout that his children, his brothers are suffering, is it a crime?
No, it's not.
May the Lord bless his courage.
He said.
What is happening is tear shedding, is heart rending, is nerve breaking,
Okay.
is mind blowing. Can our security agents and leaders account for us how many children, how many Nigerians have died under 1 week?
Okay, they
Under
cannot.
1 month.
Okay.
Students being kidnapped from the universities. And there is a leadership. No. Either they are involved in it, or they should stop it, or what is happening will stop them.
I say, now that one year. You see, Ile Ibino, eyes on. We not dead in one will not do. What did they happen? So we will never stop. We have gone to the extent that we will never go back. Because if we go back, we are going to end up. No. So we must get Biafra of death. Yes. And Ile Ibino, you have to learn from these ones. Eyes on. Learn from these ones. We are not going back. Okay? If we consume them, you hear he say it. And very soon, we are going to be going, Governor Obaseki, we are going to be asking you a question. All the governors, we will owe you people, even the past governors, we are going to owe you people accountable. You don't understand. That fraud, that criminal heart, that devil heart, we are going to stop you people. And Ile Ife mind his business. Yoruba people, the good one, go take care of your brother, eh? We not tell the one a day, otherwise we will start killing you in Edo State. You are many there. Go and take care of Ile Ife man. He's a criminal. He's the one that is oppressing you. Bringing Ile Ife people, adding it to a Buboago to come and kill our brothers. So, very soon we are going to start killing ourselves, our people, and my people. Is the truth. Very soon. Because this Ile Ife man running up and down, he don't want to lose the power. He don't want to lose the power. He don't want to leave the seat. They don't want to leave their the criminal seat, the kingship. They don't want to leave it for anything, abi. When they die, they'll leave am. Not the truth. Mona call that crap. We, the adult people, we are going to start coming out and fight. Okay? And Izobo, we are not fighting Izobo, but if our brothers and sisters rise up and fight for what they belong, what belong to them, we will start killing Area Bible Izobo community network. It's the truth. But I urge my Asian people to start this revolution, please, in Edo State. But not be now. It gave it with the way for. Maybe from 1 week now or 2 weeks. No, 2 weeks. We will do what we are going to do. And we are going to start revolution. That revolution, police station must be burned down because now there for the slave owner. Once they don't carry on, that dog don't lose. They don't lock on our destiny. They don't lock on our life. Esa oye. We must get up. Even our own mother self, they must get up. They are not enjoying anything. They are suffering. They are all of them. They suffer. Now see pregnant woman that day market they walk up and the for Esaland. So we have to get up and do it once and for all. If we not do it now, where they hot, it hot. So you go come. If these people they'll beg you now. Una go Makan, Nigeria government, they beg. They must beg. And we are still going to treat them fuck up, even if they beg. Because they don't to kill our hero. They don't to kill our people, our gallant boys. Like Ikoson is dead. He never reached when God say he go take that. He never reached. But we are expecting it anyway. Anybody can fall down at any time. So that is the reason when I cried the day where the thing happen, I rest. Because one day they'll still cry me. Now the truth. Yes, but we will mourn him. We are mourning him. But we know that anything can happen. Any death can come at any time, anywhere. So, Mona not say, no, I'm sorry. Mona not say, I'm sorry. Everybody go die. Mona, if a man not because they threaten our boys, do you want to die? Do you want to die? Like say you no go die. I'll come find your video. That pastor come plan for you. They throw 27 guns. You whether you know use your penis still run come out. I'll plan for you. You see how? So our brothers and sisters, let us come together. Let us come to you hear Okpaka. Let us come together and fight this fight once and for all. We'll get peace. Nobody is like war, but it does start up. Una not say make Ikoson die. Now the rest of una deal not do anything. Na for do na no. If you cannot still fight, no, you still donate money. From Nigeria, I still they donate 1,000 naira. You still donate. Cause all why do twagme. People are dying. Important people are dying. You people will be there enjoying. So people will be calling me. They not give me passport. Oh, this is why I had proof for passport. 3 months now. They don't give me. They don't give me pass. Very stingy people, selfish people to the core. I just get important thing where I been want go do. I want travel. They don't give me passport. Very, very selfish. There is the reason I don't, even if you are my brother, I don't make friends because your ideology and my own is very, very far. It's different. Me and you not be the same. You understand? Very selfish people. People they died. Person they call me, they talk about passport. I be embassy. Be what woman. I don't be embassy. I don't know where how they tell you do passport. I don't know. Cause they call me. Please, I need passport. They have not given me my passport since how many months. Those kind of people, they'll go and do fake account or they shout Biafra. Not be everybody want this Biafra. Those of us we want freedom. Biafra means freedom. We cannot be one Nigeria. Never. We cannot. The tribalism is too much. Ebuba go now. Yoruba is killing us. Now Yoruba people they take former mix with Igbo, few Igbos. Because the sensible Igbo cannot kill brother like they take kill Koson. No dey. Mona all those betrayers. Mona go all those betrayers wey control her for phone. All those all those betrayer. All those ones na money. And they no know say that money don die liver. Now make me say make they beat that boy. Make they beat him. I know wetin I talk. Make they beat that guy. Beat am, break his leg. Make sure say he injure. We know say we know they all dey fight for us, but if una beat am, we'll take lawyer. We'll take lawyer, we'll dey judge am. He keep people. Una people don't understand say he keep person. We'll dey judge am dey go. Now so mona break Ozio one Ezie whether na Ezie way Ezio one be Ozio one be Ozio way man. Mona break his leg. We know what we dey talk about. Because if una not use one show example for Europe, the rest, una not see Jenny. They call person wey don die murderer. Is a murderer. Is a terrorist. They are proscribed. They are proscribed. They are proscribed. And if you are in IPOB, if you are, because this our brother now, Ikoson, I use and learn. If you are in IPOB and you are very, very active member of IPOB, you are very consistent on what we are doing in IPOB. If you have friends around you, start to dey discharge them. Yes, after freedom, una come back together. They discharge them. Discharge them. Discharge them. Discharge, because what you are doing, many people does not like it. It's the truth. Dwell with people that have the same ideology with you. First, leave your brother, even though your blood brother. Me now, ask my brother, they tell you. More those of una wey dey tell. When I ask my brother wey dey tell, they'll say, some people call me, how your family? I say they're different. I hope they're different. I know they call them. I have my own reason. I don't call them. They will not come and kill me because I did not call them. Or I help them. Oba help them. With where that they bad that for. He help them. You know whether they exist. So Mona not give me that crap. I know they call anybody. I did on my own. It's okay. I call people that have the same mindset with me. People that have the same ideology with me. That is the people I call. I don't call any other person anymore. Before I used to do it. Don't get me wrong. I have a lot of friends before. I call a lot of friends. I have too much friends. But now, I don't have friends because of what I'm doing. People don't like it. They don't like what you are doing. People self, they there say, I ain't go meet her to one day. I ain't go meet her. They want you dead. They want to kill you. If you don't know, you just know it now. So if you are in IPOB and you are very, 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 you have very, very good I'll talk a big post in IPOB, don't make go with anybody. Stay far from people. They don't like you. They don't like what you are doing. And they will never like you. They may come to make peace with you. That peace is not reach under their mind. It's the truth. I have a friend. If anytime I see you, it's mad. It not reach he mad oh. It not reach down of a man, not reach her. So my brothers and sisters, please be careful. Not me, I know they're too careful, but for now, I demand, I know what I'm doing, I don't go out so much. Now God they protect person, but you can also protect yourself. Yes. Make yourself busy. Yes. If you don't have anything doing, go start primary 1. Before 5 years, come and give me the result. I always tell you. If you don't have anything that will make you to be busy in this abroad or in Nigeria, go back to school. Go start primary 1. Me now, I want to start school again now. In August, I want to go back to school again. But because of this Biafra struggle, I can't be doing here, because if you dey go school here, you must read. Because if you not pass, you pay. You pay them back because na time they teach you. So that is because of this Biafra issue that make me pause. I know what I do. If not, maybe now I heard the college where I want go start. For those still do 1 year now. August now 1 year don't come on. You understand? 110 don't come on. 1 year don't come on. You met 3 years. You understand? But because of Biafra, I not go back again. Go to una way they call this Asia one. If una no see person wey una wan come, go to primary one again. They all dey share put. They all dey share put. No dey look people dey do something. Do your own thing. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you too. You say. My brothers and sisters, men who you follow for this IPOB, no, many people don't like you, I swear. They don't like you. They don't like you. What I'm doing now, people is there. Like yesterday now, people will be looking at me, say, see, this one does the fool itself. What I did here, the result, I don't get them. Only me one, I don't get them. So this fire will not stop because they will come and beg us. You see, all this Nigeria zoo government, they are coming first before the UN will interfere. 3 people now come now. They say, please quench this fire, quench it. I have to quench the fire. I have to let it. I put the, although I leave the candle there, but I quench the fire. The fire was burning, you know, smoke we have everywhere. So that's to tell you the UN is coming to interfere very soon. But we will not stop. We will go to use 2,000 head to bury Kosom before we will start the May fire. Fire will be burning before UN will come. So, my brothers and sisters, God will bless you. Now, I be want to play this 10%. I not see them. I will go and find 10% because Yoruba people are the one killing us. They know it. They know that we are saying the truth. They use English to confuse us. They will send their people to come and kill us. Many things they are doing. You understand? So, my brothers and sisters, we have to get up and fight. We have to do the necessary thing we have to do right now. Because these people now, they said we are terrorists. They said we are kidnappers. They said we are proscribed. Do you think they will stop? Do you think they will remove that name? That we are proscribed? Wow, they will not do it. So therefore, we have to get up now. And mostly the Edo people now suffer pass. My Igbo Biafra, I give una because now they die for freedom. So others have to follow. Not be asa wana. No. Today I give Buhari 1 week. Next tomorrow you give her 1 month. We don't want that one. We don't want it. We want to break up. Buhari Abuja go dey come dey interfere for wetin we get. We get all year, we get everything. You come dey call Buhari make come give you your money, your own money. No, we don't want someone now. We don't want her. So may our brother soul not rest in peace or the 2,000 head is complete. It goes on house, not be Douglas house. They don't change her. It goes on way exactly. Our leader, God bless you. You know, it's not easy sometimes. So at the shine, our leader do something. It's not easy to be a leader. It's not easy. I feel the pain sometimes. It's not easy. What did that man carry? It's not easy for him. So, but anyway, we are here to help him. We are mothers. We are going to help him. We not the fear. It costs 2,000 heads. It costs 2,000 heads. You know, still rest in peace until we get Biafra. Before they tell us say rest in peace. 2,000 heads. Oh, wow. It's more than Oba. Oba not fight any war. Don't just come like Ile-Ife they do. I wear big cap, put something for head. They come they tell you, you know, Ile-Ife was started 90 years. Boni of Ife by my brothers and sisters. Now good morning. Now so I talk and reach. Get up and fight. It's the truth. This one, our Edo people never start to. Because something is coming in our way by the grace of God. Never start. Because when you start, the key one, they are going to key. We are going to key 100. That's the truth. So that is it. Never start. I'm telling you, people never start. You know, they say, don't quiet, oh, no security for everywhere. No problem. When the riot starts, we are going to raise up this flag. Go and mark it. Our brother will do it. Yes. They are Biafra 100%. Now there for start. Yes. Now there for start. More can look whether Abat, useless Abat, with the mokuna, don't collect money, call the mokuna. Abat can hold 100,000. Some of you cannot buy a bowl of 200 naira. Now lie it all. Now the truth. So, my brothers and sisters, God bless you. Share the video as you continue to watch it. Today, that cemetery we went to yesterday was a great time. Great time. We are still going again. Cause not be only yesterday I started the own candle for that cemetery. We all of the pack on. So God bless you guys. Bye bye.